I'm Amanda Kieber. I'm with Oatey here at our booth at KBIS 2025, ready to show you one of our newer innovations that's coming to market later this year. These are our space-saving sink drain kits. We are not selling the sink, we are selling this under-sink tubular. And this is something that may be easily overlooked by installers, designers, homeowners. But what we came to find out is installers do struggle with and don't always love the process of installing under-sink tubular. One of the big reasons is because you never know if you're going to be dealing with a perfect configuration. Often, especially in a remodel situation, you're going to have an offset drain, and the standard kits of tubular that you are going to pick up are likely not going to have all the pieces and parts that you need to run that connection. And today, installers and plumbers are coming up with their own solutions, figuring it out on the fly. What we're doing with this new product is we're kitting up the parts that they need to accommodate that offset and making sure that at the same time we are freeing up space for the homeowner at the front and most important part of their under sink space, whether it be the cabinetry in the kitchen or the vanity in the bathroom. What we're looking at right now is a double bowl kitchen configuration. So you can see how instead of having the P-traps coming down, connecting here at the front and taking up all of that very valuable front of under cabinet space, all the tubular is pushed to the back. You can also see how we have easily accommodated the offset drain location using the kit. To engineer this, we have included a couple of telescoping components within the kit, which means that they will accommodate variations in measurements and sizing, requiring fewer cuts, less time, and more efficiency when installing. In addition, the flow rate and the rate of debris cleaning on this is even better than the traditional configuration. So even as we've added components, we've made sure that the performance is even better than ever. Again, we think this is the kind of product that's going to make both the installer and the homeowner happy. There are configurations that can accommodate a disposal. There is a connection for your dishwasher on the back, double bowl, single bowl, available also for the bathroom lavatory as well. So we're looking forward to bringing this to market under our Dearborn tubular brand later this year.